Imagine earning $250 every single day just from t-shirts without ever touching a single shirt, worrying about shipping, or even designing anything yourself. Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, we're diving into how you can use free AI tools and a print-on-demand platform to start making money online even if you're a total beginner. If you've ever dreamed of turning your creativity into cash, or just want a fun side hustle that actually works in 2025, you're in the right place. We're breaking it down step by step, so stick around. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand, also called POD, is a way to sell products with your custom designs, without printing or storing anything yourself. Imagine this: you upload a design to a t-shirt, someone buys it, a company prints the shirt and ships it directly to your customer. You don't deal with boxes, you don't pack anything, and best of all, you don't pay a single cent until someone actually buys. No inventory, no upfront costs, no headache. All you need is a good design, and I'll show you how AI makes that part incredibly easy. So how do we create amazing designs without being a professional artist? Easy. We use AI tools that do all the hard work. First up is Kittle, a drag-and-drop design tool built for beginners. It comes packed with templates and fonts ready for viral shirts. Next is Microsoft Designer. It auto-generates high-quality t-shirt art from simple descriptions. Third, there's Canva Pro, which now includes AI-powered templates and mockups. It's a personal favorite and super easy to use. Fourth, meet Creative Fabrica Spark. You just type in a phrase, and boom, it turns your prompt into a print-ready masterpiece. And finally, for those who want next-level artistic power, there's Midjourney. With a bit of prompt magic, you can make insanely unique, artsy designs. Here's a prompt example: a retro vintage cat wearing sunglasses, 1990s style graphic, bright neon colors. A few seconds later, you've got a shirt people would absolutely buy. These tools aren't just helpful, they're game changers. Section 3, where to sell your t-shirts. Okay, your designs are ready. Where do you sell them? Let's look at the top platforms that let you upload your design and start selling instantly. First, Redbubble. It's beginner-friendly, totally free, and has millions of monthly shoppers. Second, TeePublic. This one's great for artists and especially good if your shirts are funny or niche. Third, a power combo, Etsy plus Printify. With Etsy, you tap into a huge customer base. With Printify, you fulfill orders on autopilot. This setup lets you customize your shop, create branding, and keep higher profits. Fourth, Merch by Amazon. This one's a bit harder to get into, but once you're approved, you've got access to the largest online marketplace in the world. And finally, Zazzle, a lesser-known gem, perfect for niche and premium styles. Each platform has its perks, but all of them work with zero upfront costs. And remember, keywords matter. Use words like funny, aesthetic, vintage, or cute to make your designs pop up in search results. Now that your products are live, how do you actually get people to buy? Let's talk about marketing, both free and paid. For free traffic, here are some smart moves. First, TikTok and Instagram Reels. Show off your shirt designs in short, catchy videos. People love relatable quotes or fun ideas. Second, Pinterest. Upload your shirt mockups with searchable titles like funny cat t-shirt or retro gamer hoodie. People search on Pinterest with purchase intent. Third, join Reddit or Facebook groups that match your shirt themes. Got a dog lover shirt? Post it in pet groups. Made a gamer shirt? Share it in gaming communities. Now, if you've got a small budget to play with, here are paid options. Shoutouts from niche influencers on Instagram can give you an instant sales boost. Pinterest ads are cheaper than most platforms and super targeted. Etsy search ads can help your listings appear on top when people search for something like funny taco shirt. But even if you go fully free, results will come, especially if you stay consistent and keep. Let's talk numbers. Let's say you sell 10 shirts per day. Each shirt sells for $25. You fulfill the order through Printify, and it costs you about $10 per shirt to print and ship. That leaves $15 profit for each shirt sold. So, 10 shirts times $15 equals $150 profit in a single day. Push that to 17 shirts a day, and you're looking at over $250 daily. And remember, you only uploaded the design once. The platform does the rest. That's why this model is so scalable. More designs equals more income. Simple math. So, let's recap. With free AI tools doing the design, With print on demand handling printing and shipping, and with platforms full of buyers already out there, this is one of the fastest and most beginner-friendly ways to make real money online in 2025. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a big budget. And you don't need to be a designer. All you need is creativity, consistency, and the willingness to start. If you're excited to try this, tap that like button right now. Got a fun shirt idea in your head? Comment it below, I read every single one. And for more smart side hustles and AI business tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. The mouse scrolls down and hits the like button, types into the comments, my shirt idea, a llama playing guitar. Clicks subscribe, then rings the bell icon. Thanks for watching Coincrafts, where creativity turns into cash. Subscribe, like, and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.